Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide the social category in Gmail on your PC. If you want to clean up your Gmail interface and remove the social section from your sidebar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will open the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top menu of the settings page, click on Labels. This will display all the labels associated with your Gmail account. Step 5. Locate the social label and click on Hide next to it. This will remove the social section from the sidebar, helping you maintain a cleaner Gmail interface. By hiding the social category, you can declutter your Gmail experience and focus on the emails that truly matter. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, make sure to subscribe to our channel.